Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can split or divide a cell in your tables on Microsoft OneNote. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that example table here in that example quick note on Microsoft OneNote. And let me just merge these two cells into one. Highlight both of them, right click. And after that, what you want to do is navigate to the table tab here and select merge cells. And now they feature basically one cell. So to reverse that, instead of using the undo feature, you may split the given cell or unmerge it, right click into it, hover mouse over table, and choose the option just below merge cells, which is split cells. And there you go. Now in some cases it may be necessary to redistribute these the content for these cells, or to resize these cells in some cases. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.